Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to add Cinema HD to FIRESTICK. From the FIRESTICK home screen, go to Find then Search. Search for the Downloader app. Select it in the search results and click Get or Download to install it on your device. Click Settings on the far right of the home screen. Then select My Fire TV. Next, choose Developer Options. Click Install Unknown Apps. Lastly, turn on the option for Downloader. If developer option is invisible, follow the guide on enabling developer options on FIRESTICK. If you are still using the old version of FIRESTICK, click Apps from Unknown Sources and turn it on. The security configuration of your FIRESTICK device has now been set up. Open the Downloader app. Please navigate to the input field on the right and click it. Enter this website and click Go. FIRESTICK.com is not affiliated with the Cinema HD app developers. This URL points to an external source. The downloader connecting to the server will display in the window. The next window will show it downloading the Cinema HD APK file onto your FIRESTICK device. Leave for the download to complete. The installation will initiate on its own. Click Install. Your FIRESTICK will install Cinema HD from the downloaded APK file. A notification will appear after FIRESTICK installs the Cinema HD app. You can click Open and launch Cinema HD on your FIRESTICK right from this window. However, I recommend clicking Done. By clicking Done in the previous step, you reach the Downloader app and see the following prompt. Click on Delete. We want to delete the Cinema APK installation file from FIRESTICK because it is useless after the app installation is complete. Erasing the file will also free up space in your FIRESTICK's homepage. Click Delete again to delete Cinema HD APK file. You have successfully installed Cinema HD APK on FIRESTICK. You can now open and start using the app. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.